This video I'm going to show you the interface of OBS Studio and I'm going to explain all the basic settings. So let's get started. First I'm going to open this OBS Studio, the portable one. Right now it has these scenes and sources. I'm going to explain what is this. If you open OBS Studio at first time, it won't have any of these settings and you will have like just scene one. So let's start. Once you open OBS Studio for the first time, it's going to look like this, just a blank screen without anything. This is the preview. This is where you will see anything that is being recorded or is being streamed. Now we are going to talk about scenes. Scenes are like channels. Each channel contain a different thing. So for example, I can have my face in this first scene. So for example, I can name this face cam and I can add another scene and I can call it, for example, browser, and I can add another one and call it game play plus face cam. So these are scenes and each one of them can have a different thing like face cam, browser, gameplay and all this stuff, and we are going to add different sources in each scene. So for example, face cam is only going to contain my face cam. Now we go to sources. Each scene has its different sources. Now let's say for example we want to add some sources in our OBS Studio. I'm going to explain each source alone. Let's say display capture. Okay, display capture, let's select our display. This is the monitor. Okay, and now it's working and showing us anything I open here, it will open on OBS Studio. So this is the preview right now. Anything that is going to be recorded or streamed is going to be appearing on this preview, so you can see what is it that you are doing. If you add, for example, a display capture and it didn't work, you can change the capture method from here to Windows 10 or whatever until it works. So this is the idea of sources. I'm going to explain these sources later. Now audio mixer, it has all audio sources that I have on my Windows. This is the mic. Right now I'm talking to this mic. This is the mic I'm talking to and it's moving while I'm talking. If I stop talking, you see it disappears. And now desktop audio, if you have for example a video running right now, if I'm going to play this video, as you can see the video plays, it starts moving in the desktop audio and the mic is the same. And you can add different audio sources to this audio mixer and you can control them, add filters, control the level like this. You can control many things. And now scene transition is just the way the scenes cut from one scene to the other. So if I am on this browser scene and I change it to fade, so if I just change it, you see it fades instead of just cutting. Look at this, it just cuts. If I select fade, it's going to fade slowly and you can select the duration from here. And now we have our controls. So you can start streaming, start recording, studio mode, settings. We are going to explain each of these later. But for now you have an idea about the interface and what everything does. So you add a scene, you add a source in this scene, and then you are going to start recording or start streaming. But there are settings in OBS Studio. These are the settings. I'm going to show you what settings to make and how to adjust them until it works for you, so that you make them one time and you don't have to change anything later. So that will be in the next video.